Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today we are going to be cleaning and preparing the house before we head off to Georgia for our first summer trip of this summer season off of homeschooling, and I want to thank Mary Ruth's Organics for sponsoring today's video. So I know I'm not the only mom that likes to come home to a clean house, and so I thought I would share with you guys some motivation for when you are hitting the road, whether you're going camping, visiting family, or you're taking a bigger trip, an RV road trip, whatever the case is, some motivation to get the house nice and clean before you leave so you can come back and get unpacked and know that you're coming home to a clean house. So I hope that this video motivates you guys to get it done, and maybe you're not traveling, but you just need some motivation. We're calling this cardio cleaning because, no joke, I was moving around so fast that I felt like I was doing zone 2 cardio, like a decent brisk walk. I was moving fast. So not only was I cleaning, but I was also like getting some good exercise in for the day as well. So I hope that you guys enjoy this Get It Done cleaning motivation, crazy cardio cleaning mom motivation. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy these motivation videos. It has been a long time since I put a Get It Done with me video up on my channel, and it just so happens that this Get It Done was mostly cleaning.
That will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow, and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day. It is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day, and it will restore us. There'll be new ways. This is not the end.
All right, so before we get any farther in the cleaning, I wanted to share with you guys about Mary Ruth's Organics. They are sponsoring today's crazy cardio cleaning mom video before we head out of town to Georgia. I'm actually coming down to grab all of these guys and bring them along with us on our trip. So if you guys have never tried Mary Ruth's, they are my absolute favorite place to get my family's vitamins. I love the fact that Mary Ruth's has something for everyone in your family, no matter their age, no matter what you're looking for, whatever you need as far as a vitamin or a supplement, they have you taken care of. So it's so convenient because I can get my women's multivitamin gummy, I can get my husband's men's 40 plus multivitamin gummy, and I can also get my immunity gummies for our whole family. Obviously summer camp, you know, so I want to send everyone with a really strong immune system, but there's so many different things. So babies, infants, older, hair growth, skin, like energy, there's just all different kinds of focuses, and you can find something for your entire family on Mary Ruth's. The other thing that I absolutely love about Mary Ruth's, like these sugar-free zinc gummies in the flavor tart raspberry, is the quality of their vitamins and supplements. I don't think I need to tell you guys this, but all vitamins are not created equal. And so I love that with Mary Ruth's, you are getting what you want and you're not getting junk that is mixed in there. So this zinc gummy is vegan, gluten-free, pectin-based, and obviously zinc is an essential mineral. But if you look at the ingredients, all of them are pronounceable ingredients, and there is nothing added in. So I just love the quality of their vitamins. You know what you're getting, and you're only getting what you want and nothing else put in your vitamins. So I love Mary Ruth's for that. Some of my family's order that we get on repeat, like I said, are these sugar-free women multivitamin gummies. These are for me, flavor strawberry. They taste amazing. The immunity, I love all of Mary Ruth's immune support. So I have these immunity gummies, raspberry lemonade. They have elderberry in them, gluten-free, vegan, all that good stuff. And then I also got an extra thing of zinc, and then hubby's vitamins. These are always in my order as well. These have lycopene. The flavor is raspberry. They're 40 plus. They have immune support, vegan, pectin-based, no gelatin, and sugar-free as well. So if you guys would like to check out Mary Ruth's Organics, I have a link down below for you guys, and my code works on Amazon as well as directly on Mary Ruth's website. Also, that code is for 20% off, and you do not have to be a new customer to take advantage of that offer, which I think is so great, because a lot of times companies, when they give out discounts, it's only if you're a new customer. And so I'm always so thankful that Mary Ruth's offers that 20% off code for anyone. So you can shop through Amazon, or you can shop directly on Mary Ruth's and take advantage of 20% off with my code GRACE, the letter N, GRIT, Grace N Grit. And I will put that right here on the screen as well as down below for you guys. So make sure you check out the links that will be down below and save yourself 20% off on your family's next vitamin order. Mary Ruth's is simply the best.
Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We'll lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Everyone cares? If we come together as one, help each other get stronger. We are bound in the name of the Lord. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us. There is a light. Let Him lead the way. Lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. So let's come together. Yeah, let's come together. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us. There is a light. Let Him lead the way. Lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us. There is a light. Let Him lead the way. Lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Everyone needs somebody to lean on. Everyone needs someone who cares. If we come together as one, help each other get stronger. We are bound in the name of the Lord. So let's come together, celebrate each other.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. saw you walking the light, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You will be the last one to think about, the last one to think about.
So that's it, you guys. We are gonna be off to Georgia bright and early tomorrow morning. I hope you enjoyed watching me clean and finish packing and all the things. Make sure that you check out the description box for your 20% off discount code, which is GRACENGRIT to Mary Ruth's Organics, directly on their website as well as on Amazon. And that offer on Amazon is available to new and existing customers as well as on their website. So you do not have to be trying Mary Ruth's for the first time to take advantage of that 20% off. All the links are down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.
There can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side. He showed me the way out of all the storms raging at the sea. He gave